Chicken Nugget Challenge! And thank you for requesting this. And as usual, keep sending requests down below. Some people do the Chicken Nugget Challenge differently, but we have 12 chicken nuggets each, and we're gonna see how much we can eat in 3 minutes. And we have my mom's phone as a timer, so let's start! Yuna, do you think you can do this? Okay. These are Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, and these are mine. And we got these because these are our favorite. I'm gonna set up my alarm now. Okay, so I'm gonna start now. Ready, go. She was already ready.
You're ready to eat. You only have 3 minutes.
It's so good. Oh, look, this is so good. I can't believe
1 minute.
passed.
You have 1 minute, 54.
Look at all of this I have left. It was all that day.
40 seconds. How many did you eat already? 20 seconds. Uh-oh. 10. 5 seconds.
I got off.
Oh, time's up. Yeah, put it down. Put it down. Time's up.
Let me see how much it was. Really?
What?
What? Our 3 minutes are up, but I ate 6.5, and Yuna ate only 4.5 because she said I ate 7, and then I was like, wait, what? And then look how many chicken nuggets she had left. That's 7 chicken nuggets, and then plus this one in the honey mustard. Oh, no. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you this. Honey mustard is our favorite sauce with chicken nuggets. We hope you enjoyed watching this challenge. Thank you for watching our videos. We're gonna eat the rest of this now because it's so good. I can't wait. I just want to eat one more right now. Bye! See you in our next video.